do your dance for me now. The one that you're gonna end up falling on your head. Let's try this. Okay, tell me. Back up. You're too close. I can see up your nose. Go back. Back up.
Nose.
Okay, so tell me. Sing your dance that you were doing. No, the one you were just doing. Okay, scooch over into the middle. You're too close. Scooch into the middle, over there. Can you do the "He loves me even more"? Let me see your princess. Tell me. Uh-oh.
Daddy's phone is broken.
Yeah, I think Daddy's phone may be broken.
Daddy has to. Your phone is broken.
No, Mommy's phone's fine. Just keep your little fingers off of it. It'll be perfect. Okay, show me the dance where you were kicking. What dance are you wanting to do?
That Honeywell one.
The one that you're going to fall on your head? Oh.
I
Yeah, that was great. You're going to get dizzy. I feel dizziness coming on. Yeah. That was your show? Where'd you go? Come here. Come over here. Okay. So what's your name? Maya. And how old are you, Miss Maya?
2.
Okay, stop jumping. I keep moving. Go back over there. I'm gonna tell so we can watch it again after. Oh, you're 2?
Yeah, I'm 2.
Do you go to school, Maya?
No.
You go to school.
I will go to.
Not today. Tomorrow you go. Right?
It's my dancing flower.
It's your dancing flower. Do you go to school tomorrow? Yeah. What's your teacher's name?
2.
No, what's their name?
So cute.
Miss
Dawn.
Miss Dawn.
Miss
Mrs. Randy. Can you sit up, please? I can't see you. Yeah? Stand over here. Stop. Miss Randy, yeah. You go pee-pee in the potty? Yes, you're fabulous. Hello. Because you're a big girl. Sing your ABC song. I love that one. Yeah, but you missed half the letters. Can we try again? A, B. Woohoo! I loved it. What other song? The what song? Another song?
Yes.
Sing the Shabbat Shalom.
Shabbat Shalom.
Hey.
Shabbat Shalom. Hey. Shabbat Shalom. Hey.
I can't see you. You went bye-bye again in the couch. Come over here.
Tommy.
Okay. How's about Twinkle Twinkle? Why not? T-U-V. Y-N. Yes.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we don't hang off the side of the couch.
I need bacon.
What do you need a blanket for?
I need...
Oh, I think the camera's gonna go off in a second. So say I love you.
I love you.
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Let me see that face. Give a kiss. Get the hands off the camera. No, I'll show you it after. First, get over here. Get over here. Say I love you. I get back where you were. I'll show you on the computer after. Say I love you. Say bye. You'll see yourself in a sec. Bye. Bye-bye.